Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. I am your host Nitin. In our London series, we are at a very different attraction today. This is not generally there on the tourist map of lot of tourists, but this attraction is the Royal Botanical Garden at Kew. It's in the west part of London, and it's a beautiful garden which has plant species, probably one of the best plant species collections in the world. That's the big pagoda behind me, and we're going to explore this entire day today and bring it to you. But if you like the video, make sure you press that thumb icon and subscribe to Spice Dhamal for interesting videos like this. So here comes the Kew Garden video from the London series. Let's go. To reach Kew Garden was easy because we are in Ealing now. That's our hotel behind. It's a nice summer day. We just took bus number 65 down the road to reach the Kew Gardens. Kew is one of the nicest neighborhoods in London. Due to its proximity to the Botanic Garden and the greenery, you will see a lot of Hollywood, Bollywood celebrities. They have their houses here. Who's who in London prefer staying in this area because it is nice, greener and beautiful in summer. Now that's the Kew Bridge. You need to cross the bridge and the park entrance is right ahead. So we enter the park from the Lion Gate side, and the park is 326 acres. So even a day is less to explore all of it. So we're going to go and walk to the main areas and explore what is there on offer. So after exploring the areas near this pagoda, we decided to take a walk towards Temperate House. But you have this berry shrubs all along with the red color berries on it. So now we come to the Temperate House, one of the oldest glass houses of Kew Garden, and it has more than 1500 varieties and plant species, which are some of them are extinct or near extinction in wild, but they've been preserved in this glass house here. And this is South Wing from 1896. So as you can see, this making style of glass house is quite old, nearly 200-year old, where metal frames and glasses are used to create these domes, and in these domes you can actually control the entire atmosphere, the humidity, light, everything, so that the plant species gets the environment which they are used to in their native country. So like if it is Africa, they create that environment, the temperature there inside the glass house. So even though it's a winter outside, still the temperature inside this glass houses is maintained. The initial area was so beautiful. Now this becomes the main block, which is there from 1862. So that's the bark of a cork tree from which you get your wine corks. Interesting. And in natural form, the bark is like this, which is harvested and punched through to make the wine corks. Though the original wooden cork is getting extinct with plastic, this was the original naturally nature-friendly phenomenon. Well, you have the waterfalls inside. That creates a perfect natural environment for some of these plants. I mean, today is a nice summer day, but imagine in a winter of UK or London, how would this tropical plant survive? So that's why the glass house gives them a complete temperature control environment which these plant species need from their native locations. Well, this black rose or this exotic fruit, which looks like a tennis ball. There are many things which are really unique in this garden. Wow. Rose garden. You have a beautiful varieties. Mild scent of roses everywhere. That can be only experienced by being here. Well, this gives you the idea what the temperature here would be. In a winter environment of UK, you have a tropical banana plant blooming here. Looks like date. Palm trees, basically different type of palm trees. So that's the oldest potted plant in the world. And it's been preserved for almost 300 years now. To create the tropical environment, you will see this water mist is being done everywhere so that the humidity is what's needed for these plants. And we will go for a treetop walk from here. The round iron staircases, a rarity now. So this must be few 100-year-old cast iron staircases. The humidity here is like you have come to a tropical region. That's a pond in the middle of Kew Garden, and what you see there is a typical English garden estate house. Well, it was time to explore more of the garden areas and these exotic flowers. And look at them, they are looking absolutely stunning. And due to summer months, all these flowers are bloomed very nicely. This is the water lily house. Let's see what all they do. Well, the colors, the variety of water lily flowers here is absolutely magical. I mean, water lily flower or a kamal, as they say, is a flower of goddess Lakshmi, and here you can see it in different colors. Exotic flowers and trees are everywhere. This is the Prince of Wales Conservatory. Best part is each display, everything is a different flora and fauna, specially created and curated. There must be massive effort to maintain it. So in the middle of London, you can see the variety of cactus. These are a variety of cactus. I've only seen them in books, but in real life you can spot all of this. Look at this one, how beautiful it is. That one even got a dotted pink flowers. Oh, so beautiful. Well, as you walk around, there are this unique flower gardens everywhere. Each one has their own speciality. Well, this structure, the hive, represent the importance of bees and pollination in our food security. So that was another unique attraction. And after that long walk at the garden, you can have some refreshment at the orangery. This is the in-house restaurant there. But we were in a hurry to go somewhere else. But while you walk out of the park, you can see this area where there are unique tall trees from across the world. So there are some pine species, there are some other tall species, and each of them is different from another. After that superb day tour of Kew Gardens, now it was time to explore something very close by, and it is famous in this area. This neighborhood is known as Richmond, and though there are a lot of rich people of London live in this area, there is another big attraction is the Richmond Riverside, or the entire promenade along the Thames River in Richmond, which is supposed to be very beautiful on a good summer day like this. Well, being a weekend, the place was busy. Everybody was out to enjoy sun and some boating along with it. So here you could actually hire a paddle boat for an hour at around £12 and enjoy this small boating in the river experience. On a bike, that can be done on the hired bikes here. There is a Richmond Boat Club as well. And if you want to just have a chill evening with some nice wine or beer, there are these boats converted into pubs, so you can sit on them nice in the cool breeze and enjoy your drinks. We really enjoyed our walk along the Richmond River promenade and whole vibe and the atmosphere. Now I know why it is considered so prestigious to own a house around Richmond area. It's a unique experience, close to nature and equally close to the hustle and bustle of London. Like within few minutes you are transported to a nice water body and a countryside. If you have watched the vlog till now, make sure you press the like button, share it with your family and friends so we can bring interesting content to you. Now it was time to explore something very unique, a classic British gourmet pub, or a pub grub as they say. We are in village of Chertsey in Surrey, which is countryside just outside London, and we are going to visit the Kingfisher, one of the famous gourmet pubs here. Along with my friend Chetan and Pallavi, they have invited us for dinner to this superb establishment. Well, it was a very traditional pub building with this outdoor seating, and as soon as you enter inside, a big bar inviting you with the beers on tap and selection of wines. You could get everything here. But what I really like was the overall decor, the leather seats. No, it was like going to this cozy, nice family restaurant kind of a feel it had. The menu had all the pub classics, but all of them made freshly by their expert chefs. And we were very happy to catch up with our friends on this London trip. So start with, we had a sharing platter of fritto misto with homemade aioli. That was nice and crispy. I ordered the lamb shank, and it's one of my favorite dishes. Came with superb mashed potato and a sauce. The chicken pie with the gravy was very traditional, crispy, and the pan-seared fish was superbly delicious, and the fish and chip was stunning, traditional and super tasty. Well, that was one superb meal and a great day in London. Stay tuned for more UK vlogs. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and keep traveling.